Hello guys, this is Anika and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to tackle about my indoor plants. How I style my indoor plants in my place. So nakakatuwang tignan if we add green in our place as our decor. So guys, let's talk about the entryway. Plants are perfect living accessories and it adds life to a room. I use plants in my entryway to add visual interest to my visitors. If your hallway is bright, you can give space to a houseplant like ZZ or philodendron. Console table in the hallway will make a perfect place for your favorite plants. And yun yata ang isa sa favorite ko na spot sa house namin. Every people that comes in your place, the entryway is the first na makikita nila because this entryway is the introduction of our home. Some of their entryway or their hallway, they put a console table. Adding mirror in the hallway is going to make look brighter, and the addition of plants will make a pretty statement. We always consider the kind of plants that we are going to put in our table. I choose a plant that doesn't need a good light. I choose a snake plant because they are very easy to care. They are happy anywhere, adapting to either partial shade or full sun. Adding your favorite pictures on the table or in the wall and using a plants to complete the look of the hallway. So a good idea when you add some accents in your console table together with your indoor plants. And next is the living room. So as you see, I also have a small living room. Our space here is not really big. You know guys, I'm not a big fan on a lot of color in my house. My house has a different shades of black and white. But I do love the way plants look in our apartment. I like the pop of green. It looks more natural. I really love houseplants, but not too much. I just want to add vibrance and life to any room in our apartment. Plants are in the original pots when they come in our place, but I love putting it in a white pot. So adding these tropical plants in your living room, it really plays a big part. So you can use your tropical plant as your accent. So I usually put a small or tiny plants in my coffee table. It's always the best when you put plants near in your window. All know that these tropical plants, they always love a bright light. So guys, adding your indoor plants in your living room can balance the placement of your furniture. You can also add your indoor plants beside your sofa or your couch. putting a large plant or medium size beside sofa or couch is great. Grouping plants doesn't need to be same family or same size. If you have a taller plants in your living room or a very huge plants, the best place that you can put your plants is on the corner or near the window. Also, in choosing a pot or planters, size matters. As a rule of thumb, always choose a pot that will give the plant enough space more than the visual appeal. Next guys is the dining room. Again, I don't have enough space in my dining room. There's something about bringing outdoors in and creating harmony with natures. Houseplants add so much life and beauty to a space. Having plants on our dining room is a treat. We can use our plants as our centerpiece. It's always a good idea when you put a minimal decors in your dining room. Styling your dining table can make a statement in your home. I also incorporate my indoor plants with my other decors or accent in my dining table. So guys, in the bedroom. And if you have a smaller bedroom, you can put a hanging plants in your room. And also you can put your plants in your side table or in your night table. And if you have a ledge in your window, I think that's the perfect place where you can put your indoor plants because most of the plants, they like a bright light. They like to have a sunlight. And also by styling your indoor plants in your bedroom, you can also put your plants on top of your dresser. So there's a lot of place that you can put your plants in your bedroom. You can use or maximize some space in your bedroom. So the greener the space, the lovelier it feels. So it's really good to have indoor plants in our home. So guys, I hope you enjoy my short video today as I share to you how I style my indoor plants at home. So if you like this kind of video, write your comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. See you again on my next video.